You're in charge of finding people that needed to be hired yesterday. Sound familiar? You've weighed your options, and a time machine isn't one of them. You've tried putting your head down and barreling through the work yourself, but every time you think you've caught up, more positions open. You live in the weeds. You've considered building your internal team, but your hiring comes in waves. Hiring more internal recruiters isn't the solution right now. You need flexibility. And you know this time around, staffing agencies aren't going to cut it. With the amount of quality hires you need, it's not feasible. You need a smarter, cost-effective solution. You need an expert team that you can trust. At Talent Retriever, we partner with talent leaders like you and deploy a full-service talent acquisition team that can provide instant support when you need it most. We identify, engage, and qualify top candidates that are exclusive to your company and help hire with your culture and retention goals in mind. Our programs are custom-built for your needs. No matter how big of a hiring challenge, we have you covered. We ramp up quickly and hit the ground running when you need us, and are flexible, ramping down when goals have been reached. And he will love us because our non-contingency model is cost-effective. At the end of projects, our average cost of acquisition is 7.8%. We are the recruiting solution you have been looking for. So when you have hires that needed to be made yesterday, do something today.